Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can download group videos in your Telegram app. It's a pretty straightforward process. All you have to do is make sure you've downloaded the Telegram app and log in to your Telegram account. Now launch your Telegram app and you will have a screen something like this. Alright, let's go to one of the groups. I've got a group in here. Now there's a video that is being played or sent by the other member. So just click on this video. Now if you click on this top right corner, three dots in there, you can see the option save to gallery. All you have to do is just click on it. Now video saved to gallery. Now if you go back and check it out, and for sure the video has been downloaded to our gallery. Pretty easy one for sure, but do note that not every videos can be downloaded based on the settings set by the admin of the group. You may not be able to download the videos. If you found this video helpful, do give this video a big thumbs up, and if you still have any questions or comments regarding downloading group videos of your Telegram account, do leave them in the comment section. We'll get back to you right away. Until next time, bye bye.